Welcome to the Microsoft Agora House here at CeraWeek. We are here with an experience showcasing how AI can change how customers in an energy business shape their businesses and shape the worlds around them. Please come on in. I would like to invite you to see how it's done. Everything we do here is based on the simple principle that intelligence and trust is the foundation of how we build software and how our customers build solutions for their environments. So with that, I would like to invite you to meet my friend, a robot. Hi, Sarge. Sarge here is a very special robot. He is able to go into places where humans shouldn't, go into the environment, into the energy sites, and touch and inspect physical infrastructure like this rusty pipe behind us. He's able to see what's going on there, sense what's going on, and predict what level of maintenance is needed on that piece of equipment to optimize its life and make sure that it can be used for the best way on that particular site. So Sarge, thank you. Thank you for being our friend here. With this, let me take you into a slightly different angle. Let me tell you about research. Microsoft Discovery is a way we allow our scientists and scientists with our customers to do better research, to discover what is invisible until now, and take processes that sometimes take years or decades and shrink it into weeks. It's possible because we are combining AI models with simulations, with scientific data, in a process that's step-by-step controlled and safe for us to be able to do that type of work. Now, if you're not a scientist, I want you to see what we do with a researcher here. The researcher is our way to think about our daily research, how we discover and how we work through problems that touch both technology and business, and how we pull it together in a way that allows us to do, in just minutes, discover new ways of doing business, setting up processes, thinking about our environment in this AI-enabled new way. Now, all of this is possible because of our partners. So let me walk you through our partners row here and give you a sense of everybody we are collaborating with, working with, and what they do with us. And all of this is possible because when we build our solutions, when partners build solutions with us, they do it with context. And context is what AI needs the most. It's not just about the LLMs, it's also about the context, our individual context, how we work, the emails we send, the decisions we make, the context of the systems of records in the enterprise, the ERP systems, the PLM systems, and then finally the context of business processes, the rules that govern of how we run our business. All of this can be done with the use of the 3 IQs. And now please follow me farther, and I will walk you through and tell you how all of this comes together at a planetary scale. Microsoft Planetary Computer is a way to build a 4-dimensional models of environments. We bring together geological data, weather data, environmental data, and we put it into this new framework that allows AI to reason over it and make decisions, predict things that were not possible before. Now, I hope you enjoy this tour, and I hope you enjoy your time at CeraWeek. Thank you so much for being with us here, and I would love for you, if you can, to come and visit us in person next year. Thank you.